Unlocking the phrases, love you, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss, the phrase, love you. This is a phrase that you might have heard often, but do you really know what it means and how to use it correctly? Let's dive in together and find out. Love you is a phrase that expresses a strong affection towards someone. It is a shorter version of I love you, and it is often used between close friends, family members, or romantic partners. While it is a simple phrase, it carries a lot of emotions and meaning. Key points. Love you expresses strong affection. It is a shorter and less formal version of I love you. Used among close relationships. Casual and informal settings. Love you is perfect for casual and informal settings. You might text it to a friend after a fun day out, say it to your parents before heading to bed, or whisper it to your partner after sharing a special moment. Close relationships. This phrase is best used among people who have a close and comfortable relationship. Using it with acquaintances or people you just met might make them feel uncomfortable because it is a personal and intimate expression. Timing and tone. The timing and tone when saying, love you, are crucial. It should be said sincerely, and the situation should be appropriate for such a heartfelt expression. Key points. Suitable for casual and informal settings. Best used among close friends, family, and romantic partners. Timing and tone should be appropriate and sincere. Saying, love you, can have a significant impact on your relationships. It helps in building trust, showing care and affection, and strengthening the emotional bond between individuals. Key points. Helps in building trust, shows care and affection, strengthens emotional bonds. Thank you so much for joining us today in exploring the meaning and use of the phrase, love you, in English. Remember, this simple phrase holds a lot of power, and using it correctly can help in creating and maintaining strong, affectionate relationships. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Keep practicing, and keep spreading the love.